Hey, what's up, party people? It's Fit Emmett, and we're going to talk today. Our fat loss tip for today is going to be the window of opportunity. So the window of opportunity is basically after you work out, your body is looking for nutrients to help it recover. So just picture a wound. When you get a wound, your body's going to jump into action to repair and recover that wound, but it needs different things to recover that wound. So same thing with your body and your muscles. You put microscopic tears in your muscle, and your body's like, okay, I need to repair itself. The way it repairs itself is with adequate amount of water, at least 60 ounces of water a day. For my folks that don't drink water, refer back to my last post about water and the importance of it in your body, and also nutrients, getting adequate carb, fat, and protein in. That's super duper important, especially protein, because protein is comprised of amino acids that actually help to repair, restore muscle tissue. So fat loss tip for today, make sure you get protein in within 45 minutes to an hour or so after your workout. Super important. If you got any more questions, hit me up at thefatlossprogram for you at gmail.com. Fit Emmett, peace.